Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss about Epiphora, that is overproduction of the tears, or simply you can say watery eyes. So the basic topics that we will cover in this video are: what exactly is the meaning of Epiphora, and what are the possible causes, that is what is the basic etiology that leads to this condition so called Epiphora. The next we'll talk about the clinical features, that is what are the signs and symptoms of Epiphora. And lastly, very important, we'll talk about treatment, that what are the homeopathic medicines which are successfully used for the permanent treatment of Epiphora, that is watery eye condition. So these are the basic topics that we will cover in this video. So let's start. So first of all, we'll talk about what is Epiphora. So what exactly is the meaning of Epiphora? So Epiphora happens when there is either an overproduction of the tears or insufficient tear film drainage from the eyes, and when the tears are unable to drain properly through the nasolacrimal system, they overflow onto the face. So this is the exact meaning of Epiphora. Talk about what are the possible causes of Epiphora, that what is a basic etiology that leads to this condition, that is Epiphora. So first and the foremost cause for the Epiphora is blocked tear ducts. So let's talk about it. So some people are born with underdeveloped tear ducts, and newborns often have a watery eyes that usually clear up within a few weeks as the duct develops. And in older children and adults, blocked tear ducts, swelling, crusting of the eyelids, and the redness in the eyes. So this is the basic first cause of the Epiphora, that is blocked tear ducts. Now second cause is foreign objects and the injury. So let's talk about it. So when you get something in your eyes, the resulting irritation can trigger sudden blinking and watering to flush it out. A speck of dust, dirt, or other material may cause an abrasion or the scratch in your eyes. A dirty or the torn contact lens can also scratch or injure the eyes, leading to Epiphora. You may also feel grittiness and pain and discomfort in your eyes. So this is the basic second cause that leads to Epiphora. Now third cause is allergies. So hay fever or allergic rhinitis is a common cause of Epiphora. This happens when your body reacts to harmless substances such as pollen grains, dusts, and pet danger. Your immune system makes antibiotics to these allergens, triggering an inflammatory responses that cause redness, swollen, and watery eyes. So this was the third cause. Now let's talk about the fourth cause of Epiphora, that is overproduction of the tears. So irritated eyes may produce more tears than normal as the body tries to rinse the irritant away. The following irritants can cause the overproduction of the tears in one or both eyes. Some chemicals such as those in fumes and even onion. Secondly, infective conjunctivitis, or simply you can say pink eyes. Thirdly, allergic conjunctivitis. So these are the main causes that leads to Epiphora. Now next we'll talk about the clinical features, that is what are the signs and symptoms that you can face if you are suffering from Epiphora. So what are those signs and symptoms? So let's talk about it. So Epiphora can cause your eyes to water slightly or excessively with a constant stream of tears. You may also experience other symptoms in your eyes such as redness and large visible blood vessels, soreness, sharp pain, eyelid swelling, blurred vision, and your eyes become sensitive to light, that is photophobia. So these are the clinical features that you can observe if you have any doubt that you are suffering from Epiphora. So this was all about the clinical features. Now very important, we'll talk about the treatment. So what is a treatment now? So now here we'll talk about the homeopathic medicines which are successfully used for the treatment of Epiphora, or you can say watery eyes. Now one by one we'll talk about these medicines. So let's talk about homeopathic treatment. So to decide on medication or accompanied symptoms like burning, itching, swelling and sensitivity to the light, pain and redness in the eyes also have to be taken in consideration. Homeopathic treatments for watery eyes aims at treating the cause that is leading to the problem to ensure complete recovery. So this is the basic criteria that is used while case taking in case of Epiphora. Now let's talk about the homeopathic medicines now. So one by one we'll talk about homeopathic medicine. So first medicine, as you can see here on the screen, that is, so Euphrasia is a top grade homeopathic medicine for the watery eyes, and it is commonly known as eye bright. It has a broad sphere of action in the treatment of eye problems. Euphrasia is a very good homeopathic medicine for the watery eyes. It works well when the eyes are constantly watering all the day. Along with this, a pressure is felt in the eyes. There is a burning and itching, which are the accompanying features. And Euphrasia is also an excellent homeopathic medicine for watering eyes resulting from inflammation of the conjunctiva. And sometimes sticky eyelids may also occur. So, on the basis of these symptoms, you can prescribe Euphrasia, the treatment of Epiphora. Now let's talk about the second medicine, that is natrum mur. So natrum mur is a very wonderful homeopathic medicine for watery eyes resulting from stricture of the lacrimal duct. It is effective for watery eyes which is caused due to strictures of the lacrimal. In such cases, the eyes feel wet all the time and tears may even roll over the face. Sometimes burning and smarting sensation in the eyes are also present. Cloudiness, a sandy feeling in these eyes and corrosive eyes are also the features that may rise. So, on the basis of these symptoms, you can prescribe natrum mur to your patient for. Now let's talk about the third medicine, that is Pulsatilla, Pulsatilla nigricans. So, this is a homeopathic medicine for the watery eyes in conjunctivitis. Pulsatilla is another very useful homeopathic medicine, conjunctivitis. In such cases, there is a profuse flow of the tears. This is accompanied by burning and itching in the eyes. The symptoms get worse. Other accompanied features are a feeling of a sand in the eye, pressure on the eyes, a need to rub the eyes, and sticky lids. Oversensitivity to light is also present. So, on the basis of these symptoms, you can prescribe Pulsatilla to your patient. CEPA is a homeopathic medicine for the watery eyes. It works well when the flow of the tears is bland or non-irritating. In such cases, the flow of the tears is very heavy and may reduce in the open. The eyes may also seem red and swollen. ALIUM CEPA is also used in allergic cases where the nasal discharge is very acrid, burning, and is accompanied by a profuse and the bland flow of the tears. So, on the basis of these symptoms, you can prescribe ALIUM CEPA for the treatment of Epiphora. Now, let's talk about the last medicine, last but not the least. This is basically a common homeopathic eye drop which can be used for any trouble in the eyes, that is Cinerea. So let's talk about this medicine, that is Cinerea martima. So indications. So what are the conditions you can use this homeopathic eye drop? So they are: advanced engage with the improper care of the eyes, eye injuries, improper nutrition, cigarette smoking, excessive exposure to the sunlight, hazy vision, glaring of the sunlight, or photophobia you can say. Sharp edges are difficult reading in dim light. So these are the conditions where you can use this homeopathic eye drop, that is Cinerea martima. Now let's talk about the composition, that what are the basic medicines which are used for making this homeopathic eye drop. So first medicine is Cinerea martima succus, 5 mg, 5 gram. It helps to strengthen the resistance and clear away the infection. Used in removing clouding of the lens and also in treatment of the conjunctivitis. Second is Chloratum excipiens, that is 0.001 gram. This is the second. So that's all. In this video we have discussed about Epiphora, and basically we have discussed about the homeopathic medicine, that what is the ultimate treatment, and we have discussed about the homeopathic medicines which are successfully used for the permanent treatment of Epiphora by removing the. That's all for today. See you guys in our next video. Till then, stay connected with us for more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below, and yes, press the bell icon for more updates. Stay safe and stay healthy, and yes, don't forget to meditate, exercise and perform aerobic exercises daily, at least for 1 hour. And yes, thanks for watching this video.